A passionate and accomplished folk singer, composer and musician Gloucester Nongbet from Meghalaya has been awarded this year's Sangeet Natak Academy Amrit Award under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This is once-in-a-lifetime award which is given to artists above 75 years of age from the field of the performing arts of India. Here is a report.
A quiet but accomplished folk musician, 84-year-old Gloucester Nongbet, chose the Duitara, a 4-strings plucked musical instrument, to showcase his love for the music. A retired IRS officer for the Department of Custom, his love for music began ever since the time he heard his first notes on the radio. So much was his passion for music that he began to take music lessons and started singing to entertain his friends and kins. He soon became a regular artist at All India Radio Shillong, singing popular pop tunes of his days.
I started singing in All India Radio Shillong at the age of 14, when I was at the age of 14, by getting 15 rupees that time payment.
However, singing pop tunes did not fulfill his inner musical desires and dreams, and he was left unsatisfied. He then began to delve into the indigenous music of his ancestors, and he found the Duitara changed his taste for the music changed. One of his popular songs called Marwai La I Duitara, translated Alone with My Duitara, perfectly sums up his musical style. This is a song about a Duitara player being alone with just his beloved instruments, and the lyrics are about the love for nature and the land.
Khasi music, Khasi songs, especially about nature, about loneliness when you are alone, it carries much significance. Without Duitara, there's no Khasi music. Of course, guitar and all this, and Casio and keyboards and all, they supplement the music, but not like the Duitara. The composition of songs also must match with the Duitara. It cannot be played by any other instrument except the Duitara.
As he says, he is very much attached to nature and all his songs are of nature. He is hopeful that the young generation can preserve and promote the traditional music as it carries the stories and memories of his forefathers. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
The weather report. The maximum temperature